Today we would like to introduce to you a hexagonal wire mesh machine produced by our company. Hexagonal wire mesh machine, also called chicken mesh machine. The hexagonal wire mesh machine adopts the principle of forward and reverse twisting. So there is no need to make the wire into a spring shape to operate continuously, which improves production efficiency and has the following characteristics. The maximum speed can reach 65 mesh holes per minute, and the speed can be adjusted appropriately according to the raw material conditions to reduce the breakage rate.